Part 1. Introduction. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. If you're into crypto trading or just getting started, you've probably heard the term DEX thrown around. But what exactly are decentralized exchanges, and how do they compare to centralized ones like Binance or Coinbase? In today's video, we're breaking down what DEXs are and how they work, the pros and cons of using them, the key differences between decentralized and centralized exchanges. Plus, I'll highlight the best tools like Safepal, Ellipal, and Glassnode to help you navigate the world of decentralized trading. By the end of this video, you'll know whether DEXs are the right fit for your trading strategy. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive in. Part 2. What are decentralized exchanges? DEXs. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, is a platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without relying on a central authority or intermediary. Instead of using traditional order books like centralized exchanges CEXs, DEXs use smart contracts and liquidity pools to facilitate trades. How they work: peer-to-peer trading. Users interact directly with the blockchain to execute trades. Liquidity pools. Tokens are deposited into pools by users called liquidity providers. These pools enable seamless token swaps. Smart contracts. Automated protocols execute trades and ensure transparency. Popular examples of DEXs include Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap. Part 3. 5 pros of decentralized exchanges. 1. No middlemen. DEXs eliminate the need for a central authority, giving you full control of your funds. There's no risk of exchange hacks or freezes because you're trading directly from your wallet. 2. Enhanced privacy. Unlike centralized exchanges, most DEXs don't require personal information or KYC know your customer checks. 3. Access to a wider range of tokens. Many tokens, especially new or niche ones, are only available on DEXs. 4. Global and permissionless. DEXs are open to anyone with a crypto wallet, regardless of location or regulations. 5. Earn passive income. Users can provide liquidity to pools and earn fees or rewards in return. Part 4. 5 cons of decentralized exchanges. 1. User responsibility. On a DEX, you're fully responsible for your wallet security and private keys. Lose your private key? Your funds are gone forever. Tools like Safepal or Ellipal hardware wallets can help secure your assets. 2. High gas fees. Popular blockchains like Ethereum often experience network congestion, leading to high transaction fees. To save on fees, consider DEXs on layer 2 solutions or alternative chains like Binance Smart Chain or Polygon. 3. Complex interface. DEXs are less user-friendly than centralized exchanges, which can intimidate beginners. 4. Low liquidity. For some tokens, niche or new tokens might have low liquidity, leading to high slippage. Use tools like Glassnode to analyze liquidity before trading. 5. Risk of impermanent loss. Liquidity providers face the risk of impermanent loss, which happens when the value of tokens in the pool diverges significantly. Part 5. CEX versus DEX. Key differences. When comparing centralized exchanges CEXs and decentralized exchanges DEXs, there are 5 key differences that can impact your trading experience. 1. Control of funds. On a CEX, your funds are held by the exchange itself. This means they are responsible for keeping your assets safe, but you don't have full control. In contrast, DEXs allow you to retain full control of your funds, as transactions occur directly from your wallet. 2. Know your customer requirements. CEXs typically require you to complete Know Your Customer KYC verification, which involves providing personal information. DEXs, however, generally don't require KYC, allowing you to trade more privately. 3. Liquidity. CEXs usually have higher liquidity because they aggregate order books from many users and often have larger trading volumes. This means that trades are executed quickly at more predictable prices. On the other hand, DEXs can sometimes have lower liquidity, especially for lesser-known or newly launched tokens, which can result in higher slippage and less favorable trade execution. 4. Ease of use. CEXs tend to have more beginner-friendly interfaces, offering easy-to-navigate platforms with customer support and more intuitive trading tools. DEXs, however, are typically less user-friendly, requiring a basic understanding of how blockchain and smart contracts work. 5. Fees. CEXs generally charge fixed fees for trades, which are often lower than the fees associated with DEXs. However, DEXs can have variable fees, as transactions depend on network fees, for example, Ethereum's gas fees, which can spike during times of high network congestion. Part 6. For tips for using DEXs safely. 1. Secure your wallet. Use a hardware wallet like Ellipal or Safepal for extra security. Never share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. 2. Double-check smart contract addresses. Only interact with verified contracts to avoid scams. Understand impermanent loss. Before providing liquidity, calculate the risks and rewards using tools like Uniswap's impermanent loss calculator. 3. Monitor market data. Use Glassnode for on-chain insights and liquidity analysis. 4. Start small. If you're new to DEXs, start with small amounts until you're comfortable with the process. Part 7. Best tools for decentralized trading. Safepal hardware wallet. A secure and portable way to manage your private keys and trade directly on DEXs. Ellipal wallet. Provides air-gapped cold storage and supports direct DEX trading through its app, Glassnode. Analyze on-chain metrics, including exchange flows, liquidity, and token performance. Coinstats. Track your portfolio across centralized and decentralized exchanges to get a full picture of your holdings. Decentralized exchanges are revolutionizing the way we trade crypto by giving us full control over our funds and unparalleled access to a wide variety of tokens. But like anything in crypto, DEXs come with their risks. By understanding the pros and cons and using the right tools, you can trade safely and confidently in this growing ecosystem. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your favorite DEX in the comments below. Check out the description for links to Safepal, Ellipal, and Glassnode, as well as other videos to boost your crypto knowledge. Thanks for watching.